Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am uploading part 2 class 5 set C IMO paper of this year. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Question number 26. Here the bar graph is given and some questions are asked. Who has 1 by 3 times the number of books Vidhi has? Vidhi has 18 books. So 1 by 3 of 18 is 24. So 24 books Ravi has. Option B. How many students have less than 20 books? There are 3 students, Vidhi, Jay and Vipin. So option C. Question number 28. The sum of lines of symmetry of given figure is, first figure has 5 line of symmetry, second has 1 and third figure has 4 line of symmetry. So total is 10. So option C. Question number 29. The number name of number shown on the given abacus in international systems of numeration is 830,518. Question number 30. In which of the following figure does the unshaded part represent 2/3? It's option D, because here unshaded part are 6 by 9, which is reduced, gives 2 by 3. The given figure is made up of 3 identical equilateral triangles and 1 big equilateral triangle. Find the perimeter of given figure. See, the small equilateral triangle has half as that of big equilateral triangle. So small equilateral triangle has side 15. After adding all outer sides of equilateral triangle, we get the addition 135. So perimeter is 135, option A. Number 32. Find the weight of 3 cans and 1 book. See, the weight of 4 books is 600. So weight of 1 book is 120 gram. Weight of 4 can is 400. So weight of 1 can is 100. So weight of 3 can is 300 plus 1 book, that is 120, gives 420 gram. Option A. Question number 33. The value of 88.64 minus 43.21 plus 63.51 is 108.94. Option A. 34. The highest common factor of 72 and 168. The SCF of both the number is 24. Option C. Which of the following option has least number of obtuse angle inside the figure? It's option A, because figure 1 has only one obtuse angle, whereas other figure has more than one obtuse angle. So option A. Now let's start everyday mathematics. A rectangular garden has a length 24 meter and breadth 15 meter. Find the cost of manuring the garden at a rate of 8 rupees per square meter. For this, first we have to find the area of garden by formula length into breadth. It will give 160 meters square. Now multiply 160 by the rate 8. We get the total cost 2880 rupees. Option C. Aditya spent 3 by 8 of his summer vacation at relatives' home, 1/10 at hill station and rest at home. If the summer vacation was of 40 days, then how many days did Aditya spend at his home? Uh, First we calculate the vacation spent at relatives' home, that is 3 by 8 of 40. It is 15 days. And at hill station it is 1 by 10 of 40, that is 4 days. So total 19 days he spent out of the house. So out of 40, 19 minus 40, 40 minus 19 gives 21 days he spent at home. Option B. Ajay learns a total of this Roman numeral words in the month of June, July and August. If he learned equal number of words daily, then how many words did he learn daily? Total number of days in June, July and August are 92, because June 30, July 31, August 31. Total is 92 days, and total words read by the Ajay is 1288 after converting this Roman numeral into the number. So dividing 1288 by 92 gives 14. So Aditya read 14 words each day. Option A. Question number 39. Arjun shows a number on the abacus. His sister removes 2 beads from 10,000 place and 1 bead from 10th place. Which of the following number does the abacus shows thereafter? It's option B. 5,13,454. Prisha wants to purchase a gift costing rupees 1000. She has saved the amount 235.45, 258.67 and 196.48 from her pocket money in 3 months respectively. How much more money does she need to buy the gift? After adding all this her saving, we get the answer 690.60. Now she has to buy a gift of rupees 1000. So for buying this gift, she has more 309.40 rupees required. Option D. Anaya walks around a rectangular park of length 220 meter and breadth 190 meter, while Nitya walks around a triangular park each of side 190 meter. If Anaya takes 7 round and Nitya takes 10 round, then who walks more distance and by how much? For this, first we have to calculate the perimeter of rectangular park, that is 820, and 7 rounds, so multiplied by 7 we get 5740 meter. And for Nitya, we have to find the perimeter of a equilateral triangle having side 190, it's 570, and 10 rounds, so multiplied by 10 we get 5700. So Anaya walks more and it's 40 meter more. Option C. A boy was asked to multiply 54 and 861, but instead he multiplied 54 and 681. Find the difference between the actual answer and the answer obtained. For this, first we have to multiply 54 by 861 and again multiply 54 by 681. And taking the difference of these two, we get the answer 9720. Option D. Arpit's sister is 5 years 7 months younger than him. If age of Arpit 5 year hence is 13 year, then his sister's age after 3 years from now will be. After 5 years, Arpit is 13 year, means present age of Arpit is 8 year, and her sister is 5 year 7 month younger than him. So her sister's present age will be 2 year 5 months. So after 3 years, her sister will be 5 year 5 months. So option D, 5 years 5 month. Question number 44. A trade fair is being organized in two cities P and Q, starting and end date shown below. In which city trade fair is organized more number of days? After calculating the number of days for city P and Q, for P it's 36 and for Q it's 31. So P has more number of days. Option A. A contractor got a contract for a construction of 3 roads. The length of first road is 130 km, 750 meter. Second road is 98 km, 411 meter. And third road is 203 km and 42 meter. Find the total length of roads that he need to construct. After adding all these 3 lengths, we get the answer 432 km and 203 meter. Option C. Let's start the achiever section. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. The value of 18.007 plus 3.472 minus 6.45 is, it's 15.029. The value of 6 tenths, 13 tenth, 5 tenths, 18 tenth plus 87,000 is, it's 113.187. The unit fraction whose denominator is 26 upon 34 divided by 1 by 17. It's 1 by 13. So option B. Which of the following is incorrect? Roman numeral of predecessor of 2584 is this? No, it's the Roman numeral is 2585, which is the successor of 2584, not predecessor. So this is a incorrect statement. Here in question number 48, some equations are given and we have to find out the value of some equation. So from third equation, the value of 3 football is 1056. So to calculate the value of 1 football, we have to divide this by 3. So we get the value 352 for 1 football. Putting the value of football in first equation, we get the value of basketball ball plus saucer ball, that is 790. Now put the value of basketball and saucer ball in second equation, we get the value of 1 saucer ball. It's 315. Now putting the value of saucer ball, we get the value of basketball. Hence we get value of basketball, football and saucer ball. Now putting the values in equation 1 and 2, we get the value of basketball plus football as 827 and basketball minus saucer ball 160. Hence option B. Question number 49. Read the statement carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The sum of DLXX, DCCC, LVIII is less than the difference of these two Roman numerals. See, the sum of these two Roman numeral, that is 570 and 858, is 1428, and difference of these two Roman numerals is 1452. So it is less than the second one. So this statement is Correct. Statement 2, if x is the greatest 6-digit number that can be formed using the digits 3, 1, 0, 7, and y is the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 3, 1, and 0, then the difference of x and y is 7, 7, 4, 3, 1, 0. See, the greatest 6-digit number is 777,310 and smallest digit is 1003. Their difference is 776,307. So this statement is wrong. So option C, first is correct and second is wrong. Last question, solve the following and correct option. Perimeter of the given figure is, the perimeter of the given figure is 20 centimeter, and area of shaded region of the given figure is, here the small square at the corner right top corner is 16, and area of rectangle at the left corner bottom side is 96. After adding 96 and 16 we get the value 112. So option C, 20 centimeter and 112 square centimeter. This way class 5 IMO paper set C of this year is explained. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you.